welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're chugging this grapefruit bubbly. So, let's get started. It's burning. It's burning so much. That's tough. Can't do it. Oh my gosh, that was just burning. I only got about halfway done. I cannot do anymore. That, oh my gosh. That is strong. Oh my gosh. Well,
How much did you get?
Some other chugs. Wow, that was.
How much did you get?
What do you mean?
Like, how much did you get done? Like, halfway?
A little more than halfway.
That's not bad.
It's a really good flavor, but
Don't recommend it for chugging.
yeah, it's very strong. But
That was good though.
yeah. So yeah. Bye.
So,